Hello, today we are reading passage 415. It is called Hurricanes, Harmful Storms. Hurricanes are violent storms. In fact, hurricanes are the most destructive of all storms. Hurricane winds travel at speeds of at least 75 miles per hour. These storms are very large. They can measure from 300 to 500 miles in width. Their size and intensity makes them dangerous. Hurricanes form in the late summer and early fall. They need moist air and heat. As a result, hurricanes start over tropical seas. This process begins when warm, moist air rises. Next, surrounding air flows toward the rising air. Then, water vapor from the warm air condenses. This means that it turns into small drops of water. The drops of water form clouds. Heat is given off during condensation. The air becomes warmer. Thunderstorms develop and the hurricane begins. Hurricanes consist of spiraling winds. These winds spiral around a low-pressure area in the center of the storm. This area is called the eye of the hurricane. Although winds rage around it, the eye of the hurricane is calm. The sun may even be shining in the hurricane's eye. Hurricanes die out when they no longer have moist air and heat. This can happen if the hurricane moves over land. It can also happen if it moves into a colder area. Some hurricanes last only a few hours. Others can last as long as a couple of weeks. Hurricanes cannot be stopped. However, they can be predicted. That way, people can be warned to get out of the hurricane's path.